The password command is a fundamental Linux utility with several key functions. It allows users to change their own passwords, administrators to manage password policies, and helps in securing user accounts on the system. It is a core tool for maintaining a secure Linux environment. To change your own password, simply type password in the terminal and press enter. You will be prompted to enter your current password. After entering your current password, you will be asked to provide a new password twice for confirmation. Note that password complexity rules are enforced to ensure strong passwords. Here's how it looks on the terminal. User at Linux $$ password. The system responds with changing password for user. It asks for the current password, which is shown as a series of asterisks. Then it asks for the new password, and to retype new password, both also displayed as asterisks. Finally, it confirms password updated successfully, before returning to the user prompt. As the root user, or when using the sudo command, you have the privilege to change any user's password on the system. This can be done without needing to know the user's current password. Simply specify the username after the password command. This is particularly useful for password resets, when a user has forgotten their password. It is important to exercise caution when using root privileges. For example, root at Linux # password username. The system will prompt for the new password and to retype it, then confirm that the password has been updated successfully. The password command provides advanced options for managing user accounts. You can temporarily disable a user account using the command password username. This locks the account, preventing login. To re-enable a locked account, use the command password username. These are useful for security or when employees are on leave. You can force a password change on the next login using the command password username. Additionally, you can delete a password, which makes the account unusable, using the command password username. Please note that these options require root privileges to execute. The S option in the password command is used to display password status information for a specified user. The information includes the account name, password status which indicates whether the account is locked or has a usable password, the date of the last password change, the minimum and maximum password age, the warning period before password expiration, and the inactivity period. For example, root at Linux # password -s Alice. The output shows Alice P, followed by the last change date and other parameters. The status P indicates the password is set and usable. Similarly, for Bob, the command password sbob shows Bob L, indicating the account is locked. Password information is stored in specific configuration files. The /etc/password file contains basic user account information, including the username, user ID, group ID, home directory, and login shell. It's important to note that modern systems do not store encrypted passwords in this file. The /etc/shadow file stores encrypted password information, including the encrypted passwords, password expiration data, and account validity information. This file has highly restricted access and is only readable by the root user. To maintain a secure system, it's important to follow password management best practices. Use the command password to enforce password changes at regular intervals for critical accounts. Lock inactive accounts with the command password when users are on extended leave or have departed. Regularly check password status with the command password to identify accounts with outdated passwords. Limit direct root access and use sudo with password authentication for administrative tasks. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.